One of the fears right now in today's market is transitioning from your current home to your new home. How do you do that? Well, we have a strategic plan in place to make it as seamless as possible. One of the most recent success stories is with our clients, Mike and Cheryl. They're looking to upgrade their home. It started out with first meeting at Mike and Cheryl's home to review their current property, put together a market analysis, and at that meeting, we also went over their needs and wants for their next dream home. From that conversation, we put together a strategic blueprint and plan to make the process as stress-free as possible. In the end, Mike and Cheryl settled on their current home with a lease back a few days after the settlement of their new home, which was the day after they settled on their current home. This made the process as seamless as possible for Mike and Cheryl. And this could be your story too. Please don't hesitate to reach out.